Too tired? Too busy? Craving something from a store that's not on bXTRA PH yet? No problem, just Pasuyo it. Here's how. First, download the bXTRA PH app, sign up, and log in. Set your delivery location within Mandaluyong, tap bXTRA Pasuyo, and you're good to go. Search for the store you want and make sure that it's within Mandaluyong. Tap the red location tag to verify the location, then hit next. Enter or pin your delivery address and update your contact number if needed. Now, list down what you need, item name, estimated price, and quantity. Got special instructions? Drop them in. Upload or snap a pic of the item so our rider knows exactly what to get. Keep in mind that the maximum order amount is only 2,000 pesos. Tap next to review everything. Need to tweak something? Just hit edit. All good? Tap book delivery and you're done. To track your order, simply go to notifications, head to inbox, then look for Pasuyo. From there, once a rider accepts your Pasuyo delivery order, you'll see real-time updates including when they arrive at the store, along with their name, vehicle type, and plate number. Need to update your order while the rider's still at the store? No problem, just call or tap the chat icon to message the rider directly. They can adjust the item, quantity, or price for you on the spot. Make sure to have your phone with you at all times so the rider can easily contact you to verify your order and any changes you've made. Once updated, you'll get a quick prompt in the app to review and approve the changes. It is important to click the confirmation prompt so the rider can proceed with your order. Tap confirm and you're all set. You'll be notified as the rider proceeds with your updated order. Want to double check? Just view your updated order details in the app. Then sit back, relax, and wait for your delivery. When the rider arrives, pay your order total plus a 10% Pasuyo fee and enjoy a 20% cashback on that fee. So next time you're stuck at home, don't sweat it. Just use Pasuyo with bXTRA PH.